Mama.
What's up, guys? Justin Perry here. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic week, and I'm back with another vlog. And this week I'm starting a new series. Super excited about it. So have you ever sat on Instagram scrolling through and you're like, wow, that's such a cool picture, boom, amazing time lapse, but you can never find out where that was taken? So I'm doing this new series and I'm going to give you guys the best places in Dubai where to take pictures, time lapses, all that sort of stuff. But I'm also going to include the location, how to get there, a map, the do's and don'ts, all that sort of information, A to Z. I'm really looking forward to shooting this. I'm off to my first destination. No, not destination. I'm off to my first place. I'm going to shoot an epic time lapse, maybe get a couple of pictures, show you guys everything, give you guys the location, give you guys all that stuff so you know where to do it, and happy shooting. Let's get to it.
Americana ain't no use living for tomorrow without a doubt. We're all missing out. It's all in my Americana. Got my 99 cents.
What's up, guys? Alright, so we're at our first destination and we're at a place in Dubai called Blue Waters.
A wandering heart on a crazy ride, an open road and a deep blue sky.
It's an island, just been built. It's only been here for about a year now. Really amazing place, and we're gonna get our first sunset here for the first episode of Show Me Where to Shoot in Dubai. Anyways, it's a little bit overcast today, so hopefully we're gonna be able to get something decent. Very cool place. I'm gonna drop all the information down below, links, maps, all that sort of stuff. While I'm here with you, I'll just give you 2 tips about this place. First of all, you cannot have a camera on a tripod, walk around filming or vlogging. Not allowed, they won't let you. If you want to bring your camera or DSLR or whatever, have it strapped around like this here, no tripod, they're fine with that. That's all good. If you want to film, bring a GoPro. I've switched to the GoPro, that's how I'm filming. They're okay with GoPros on selfie sticks, anything like that, you're all good. Those are my 2 tips. Let's shoot the sunrise.
Where my arrow goes.